a similar query over here wherein you have to retrieve the name of those employees with no dependents. That means an employee where the number of dependents is equals to 0. Again we require the same relations. We require the employee relation and we require the dependent relation. Basically, logically speaking, those IDs, those SSN which do not appear in the dependent relation do not have any dependents. We see how to do it in the form of relational algebra expression. Obviously we require the same table once again. So the first thing what I will do is I will pick up the ESSN of the dependent table and I will pick up the SSN from the employee table. I will apply project operation on both these tables, and then what I will do is I will perform a minus operation. So obviously it will give me the required result. We will see how to go about it. First query, I say employee on the employee relation, apply the project operation. So project SSN on the employee relation, store it in a temporary relation or EMPS. So this is what you get, an SSN of all the employees. Next, referring to the dependent table, again I apply a project operation on ESSN of the dependent relation and store this in a new relation, employees with dependents, and I rename the attribute as SSN. So basically this table is having a list of those SSN who are having dependents, whereas the previous relation, that is all M's, is having SSN of all the employees. So simple operation now. So the output of this table will be only this 3 attributes. Why this 3 attributes? Because the duplicate values are eliminated. That means only this employee with this ID, this employee and this employee are having dependents. Other than this, the other employees do not have dependents. So coming to the last step over here, what I do is I take this table and I perform a minus operation between these two relations. So all employees minus employees with dependents will give you list of employees that do not have any dependents, right? So this will give you a list of those employees without any dependents. So employees without dependents, DEPS. So this is the list of those employees who do not have any dependent. So we have already got the required information. Now this particular relation you can apply a natural join with the employee relation. The attribute name over, this is the table name, the attribute name over here is SSN. Apply a natural join with the employee relation, you get the desired result. Okay. So employee relation, and this is our M's without dependent. So we apply a natural join over here between these two relations to get the desired result. So M's or employees without dependent, natural join with employee. Okay. So what you get is this particular table. Now on this table what I'll do is, okay, I'll apply a project operation. On this table what I'll do is I'll apply a project operation and I'll say project L name and F name and store this into a temporary relation or result. So basically a list of those employees who do not have any dependents.